Okay, so here is two projects we're going to show you. One is this client has an office in a large hallway and wanted to separate the space out between the office at the end and the bedroom that's to the right. And so we custom designed and built this door. It's on a automatic soft close, open and close pocket feature on the header for that. Open it up, and there's where she has her office in the back, and made this a really cool way to divide a room. That's all custom made. It's the inside out. And then the inside, she's going to hang a curtain on that so she can have some privacy from the outside. Now, the second one is a bath remodel in Novato. Fantastic project. Just lots of really cool features here. So, backlit mirror, very common, very popular nowadays. I thought about it. That backsplash should probably have been taller, but that's what that is. So they got the Vanity, which is an offset sink, which is super cool. That is an auto flush toilet. That is that's why you don't see the buttons. This is a heated floor with all the washlet on the top. So you walk into this shower and you turn it on the left, and you have a rain head, you have a handheld. You walk in, and here's the defined space in the bottom that is where the water flows to the center drain. And so you're either stand there and take a shower, and you have these two beautiful niches. Man, I love that dramatic tile and that stone in the back. That is very cool. Look at the graining and the veining in that with the gold. Really, really nice. And the gold finishes, and then you have it's a growy faucet, if I recall. Looks like it. And look at that feature. Put a deco light on that to highlight it. The ledge there. So the idea is when you're sitting inside the tub and the client climbed in this tub and it fits her to a T, is you fill it up and you hang your robe on the hooks here, and you can sit and soak in that tub. And you saw the ledge right below that feature where you can put your soaps and your glass of wine and whatnot right there. So see that little ledge, custom built with a feature. That is a place to relax and enjoy yourself after a long day.